Ty Poxon here with the American Mining Foundation. We've hiked up to the 4 level. It was a beautiful hike, a little winded, but here we are, and what we're looking at here is kind of the end of a surface tram that if we follow it, we'll make it to the 4 level mining shaft, mining building. As you can see, this roof is completely gone. Not sure if this is gonna make it through one more winter, we hope. Looking right now to try to stabilize this so we don't lose it. This is the area. It's sure is beautiful up here. Our goal is to again have people hike up here, possibly have a zip line, a gondola ride or something. Here's entrance into one of the buildings, structures, and here's the aerial tram structure. And go in here, we got another portal into the 4 level. I don't want to go into these mines. They're awfully unstable and dangerous, even kind of walking around them, but I hope this kind of shows you the importance of these mines and the history behind them, and if we can do our job to preserve these and tell the history and the stories behind it.